Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by assembling the essentials: your owned Xbox 360, an HDMI capture device, and a capable PC. Connect the Xbox HDMI output to the capture card input, then connect the capture card to PC via USB 3.0 or PCIe. Install OBS Studio or the Capture Vendor app and make sure you have Xbox 360 controller drivers on the PC. Once done, power everything on and confirm the capture device shows a signal. This is the first action that moves console play onto your computer. Next, configure the capture and input so play feels native. In OBS, add the capture device and set resolution matching the Xbox output. Choose 720p or 1080p at 3060 FPS depending on your capture card. Make sure desktop audio captures the game sound, then set a streaming bitrate between 6,000 and 10,000 for stable quality. Map the Xbox controller in Windows, test button responses, and reduce buffer or latency options in the Capture app to lower lag. This step makes Finally, start the Capture preview and launch Minecraft on the Xbox 360 while watching the PC display. You will now play the console edition on your computer through the Capture feed. Make sure audio and microphone levels are balanced, and enable hardware acceleration in OBS or vendor software to reduce CPU load. If you're streaming, run a short test recording to confirm sync. Troubleshooting tip: if you get no video or audio, power cycle the Xbox and capture card, reset HDMI, and update capture drivers. This resolves most connection faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.